Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again.
Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to talk about 3 things that were promised to us in 2019 that have yet to happen. And some of them don't even look like they're about to happen. So let's go straight into it. Number 1, Ultra FICO. What happened to it, right? Now, we did get Experian Boost, which I think was probably a portion of what Ultra FICO was ultimately trying to do. Get access to your utility bills and bills that you paid through your bank account to verify, and then adding that to all credit bureaus, not just Experian. And so I think Experian probably got tired of waiting since the platform was there. All it is really you doing most of the work and them just verifying it through bank payments. And with that being done, I'm assuming that's how Experian Boost actually came out. This is my personal opinion. And because when you think about it, Ultra FICO was Ultra FICO was created just from the research that Experian did. Another company, I forgot the name. I think it's Fincinity or Finicity or something like that. And then also, as well as FICO, Fair Isaac Incorporation, who makes the FICO score, and they all came together. And I think that they were probably dragging their feet on the FICO side. And that's where Experian says, you know what, we're just going to come out with our own platform. They start doing commercials, as you guys can see now. And now it just looks like something that Experian is only doing. TransUnion has yet to announce anything like that. Equifax has partnered with other companies to do other things, but not necessarily, with this, which I'll talk about Equifax in a hot second. So, but either way, what in the world happened to Ultra FICO? I check the website every now and then to kind of see what's going on. And it went from, hey, we're Ultra FICO. That's when I did the video. Then it went into, hey, if you want more information, then go ahead and give us your email. We'll let you know when everything's good to go. Then they actually made a logo for Ultra FICO. Then Experian Boost came out. And now you go check out Ultra FICO. There's barely anything on the page. It just simply talks about all of the blog posts and news articles that was surrounding it, but you can't even give them your email to find out when it's going to come out anymore. You go to the site, it doesn't even show you what it looks like anymore. So I don't know what that's going to be. I did that video a long time ago. It's supposed to happen around January or so. Here we are in October, still no Ultra FICO. Number 2, the Equifax settlement payout. All right. So now we all know that the settlement went crazy. It went viral. Everybody started talking about doing these videos on it, the whole jazz. Right. Problem is that I know of, no one I know of has gotten a check. I've had clients say, hey, did I do something wrong? Did I mess this up? Whatever the case may be. And they're saying, hey, Calvin, can you look into this? I'm like, I can't really do anything. I'm not Equifax. But at the same time, I've yet to see anyone that's gotten paid. Now, I've even heard that people have had issues getting the credit monitoring as well, too. And again, I'm not bad-mouthing any company I'm talking about. I'm just saying that, hey, as consumers, we're paying attention, so it does matter when you give us a certain date, a certain time, when you're going to do something. Even if it's not close to that point, at the same time, I think credit is always an industry that goes under the rug. No one really kind of pays attention to it, even though it's so important when you're looking to get a credit card, a home, a car. You guys know this stuff already, an apartment. And, we want to find ways, more non-traditional ways to build our credit, especially if we're paying our bills on time. And with the whole Equifax situation, I'm like, no one's even on top of this to make sure us as consumers get whatever check was available to us. Okay, so that's number 2. Number 3, a solid student loan forgiveness program. Every single month, I'm seeing more and more programs either being scams or programs trying to find ways for people not necessarily to receive the money. It's ridiculous. A lot of people are leaning on their jobs to pay this stuff because they said that they were going to do so. Keep in mind, these companies have to be around in order to pay you. a lot of companies are not doing so well financially. And you always find out around this time of the year, well, around this season, I should say, not this particular season this year, when we're talking about around election time. Well, around election time, that's when banks say, all right, the jig is up. Companies say, all right, we've been lying on our books for the longest. We're just waiting on, the next president to kind of just figure out this whole situation. It happens all the time, so I honestly think that it must be addressed because a lot of people are banking on student loan forgiveness on a realistic program. And let me tell you something, it sucks if you work for a company that say they're going to take care of some stuff and they're not able to do so, so the numbers go up every single year of the amount of people that thought they met qualifications for years. The past year, 3 years, 5 years, they thought they met the qualifications only to find out that they've been wasting their time. And these are federal programs that's happening as well too. But if I find something that's legitimate, that's legit, 100% where a person has loans and of course it gets paid off, I promise you I will let you guys know. And that way we can all see if we can benefit from that if you're in that industry or whatever the requirements are. All right. So those are the 3 things we were promised in 2019. We're still waiting on some of this stuff. We'll see what happens, right? If you like this video, like it, you want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we have nothing but great content on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.